Instant manifestation occurs instantly, like this, just in seconds. You get the intention, you just thought about it, and in a quick seconds, in a quick moment, it's done. That's what is instant manifestation. It is so real. And you will understand instant manifestation. Any kind of effort isn't needed in instant manifestation. So this is another episode of manifestation. I am Fishu and we gonna talk about instant manifestation. Some of examples I had IRL and how you manifest from it. Conclusion of instant manifestation. So let's be with me. Let's get into the video. So I'm gonna take the very first example I had. It was like so quick. I noticed the instant manifestation for the first time. So I just posted some reels at night. It was some kind of OTD reels where I styled my outfit. I just like put on a dress and style that dress. I see all other creators making that videos, so I just tried doing it for the first time. And if you've seen all that videos, you know that people ask for the links of that dress or ask where's that dress from. So I posted that video at night and then I slept, and in the morning I was going to open the Instagram and check my reels or whatever. Before opening Instagram, I had this thought, the instant thought. I get that, oh, well, if I got the comment saying asking for links, I just get that random thought in my head. If someone asks for that link, the dress link from me, then I open the Instagram and I clicked on the video. It didn't get much reach, but I opened the video and I get the comment saying link. When I thought of that thing, the link thing on my comment section, it was just the link written on, as I see that thing in other creators' video. That picture, that thought just came into my mind, and I opened Instagram. When I check the comment, I get the same thing, the picture in my mind into that comment section. That's manifestation. It is so real and so effortless. You guys make it complicated, but it's so effortless. That's instant manifestation. I manifested it instantly. That was the first time I know the manifestation thing. And then I concluded it from it that manifestation is so instant, so real. Like you get that intention, you get the thought, you get that picture, and within seconds you manifest it. Within seconds you get it. For example, you can like manifest it like this. You get the thought of, like the random thought of, oh, that dress in your mind, and you will see that on some apps, or you will see that it's available in some apps. That's manifestation. That's real manifestation. Another example is that I saw this video, like someone explaining red car theory in one of the YouTube shorts. I don't even remember the theory. What was it? I don't even remember. But when I was coming home from somewhere, what I saw was, oh, the road's very clear. And that video just came into mind. That word, the red car theory, just came into my mind. And when I focused on the road, I saw red car, like the bright red car. That's instant manifestation. It is like your intention, your thoughts are so random but so clear that you manifest it. I haven't seen it in big things, but it's like small things around us. That's instant manifestation. What I concluded from it is the main point to manifest instantly. You can't have some random thoughts intentionally, but you can have that intention, like the intention of having a thing. That intention, then you detach from it, and then you manifest quickly. Manifesting is just shifting into vibration, shifting into frequencies. Like you align with the frequencies, then you manifest it. That's all about manifestation. And instant manifestation is so real, but you need to detach from that. You need detachment. Just like you think, oh, $50 in my mind. and you kind of manifest it and you detach from it totally. That just came into your mind like, oh, $50. You get to see $50 everywhere, or maybe you get $50 from some source or anywhere. It is manifestation. It is so simple, like literally so simple to manifest. You get that intention, you get that desire in your head. You didn't get attached to it, you didn't obsess over it. You just get that intention, oh yeah. And one thing for manifesting is you write down that shit. If I ever manifested things, that's because I write it down in my journal, in my notebook. And every time after getting that thing, after getting that desire, after getting that work done, I check my notebook and see, oh, I literally manifested that. I get things done because I write it down. And even if I had to do some things and I don't write it in my to-do list of the notes app, it gets delayed. I don't know why it gets delayed. And when I put down in the notes and after doing the thing, I guess that is okay, the things getting done. So writing is very important. Scripting is important. I'm not saying go and affirm like crazy in the notes, in the notebook, and script like crazy or anything. I'm just saying the only goal, the desired goal, the desired intention, write it down in your notebook. That's how you manifest. Set the intention, set the desire, live it. Don't put your mind to it, just live it. Do your daily work or maybe work towards it, and then boom, you're done. You're done with manifestation. And if you're struggling with manifestation, I'm here for you. You can comment down and let me know what are you suffering with. You guys need to align with the frequencies, align with the energies of your manifestation. I started living in the end. Live as your higher frequency, live as your higher version of yourself, the higher energy you are. If you want something, don't go with the process. I want this things. No. Set the intention, set the final goal, just do your work toward it, and that's it. You're done. You're literally done. You don't need to attach and obsess. The more you get attached, the more you obsess, it will get delayed. It will get repelled. You have to detach, like totally detachment, and live in the high end. What I mean by living in the high end, having the belief that you are having it. It's just there and you are satisfied with it. You have to be grateful for it. Practicing gratitude is another tool, and writing down all things. That's it. Instant manifestation is real. This is all about instant manifestation. If you want more videos about manifestation from me, you guys can encourage me commenting because my responses are not much better. But I will still try making for you guys. Bye.